morning everyone. I hope you're hungry because today we're making breakfast. I'm gonna explain a little bit about this video because else it might be really confusing, but basically I will be painting my breakfast and I'm also making my breakfast at the same time. Now I am the worst cook in the world. I cannot make a decent egg, but I tried, so I really hope you enjoy. I'm trying to be as unique as possible every single video and come up with funny ideas, and this is just a really funny video of me painting and making breakfast, and I just saw the irony in that. So yeah, enjoy! Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see more painting videos, I'll link the playlist of the full 30 days down below. And if you like this content, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.